Welcome back to Happy the Thrive podcasts. My name is Victory Anyo, and today we're exposing the silent habits that drain your energy every single day. You know the ones I'm talking about, the little things you do or don't do that leave you feeling exhausted by noon, even though you haven't done anything physically demanding. But here's the thing. Energy isn't just about how much you sleep or how many cups of coffee you drink. It is also about the habits you have picked up. Some you don't even realize are working against you. So, in this episode, we're going to dig deep into these energy leaks, why they happen, and how to fix them. But before we go in, don't forget to subscribe to this podcast so you don't miss out on any episode. And follow us on Instagram at Happy the Thrive so you actually get more tips. Here's a quick challenge for you. As you listen, think about one habit that might be draining your energy without you even realizing. Yeah, just one. Because awareness is the first step to making real change. So just at the back of your mind, start figuring out, okay, what's that thing I do every day that might be draining my energy, right? Just do that quickly. Alright, let's get into today's episode. The habits that are silently exhausting you. 1. Constant mental multitasking. You're working on an email, but in the back of your mind, you're also thinking about what to cook for dinner, whether you replied to that WhatsApp message. And oh wait, did you pay the internet bill? You know that thing your mind is doing? Sound familiar, right? Your brain is not meant to juggle all these things at once. When you're consistently mentally switching between tasks, you're using up more energy than you realize. It's like having 10 apps running in the background of your phone. It's only a matter of time before the battery drains. So how do you fix this? Write things down. I'll say that again. Write things down. Keep a running to-do lists on paper or your phone so your brain doesn't have to keep remembering everything. Also, try focusing on one thing at a time. This way your mind is healthy and your energy isn't just used up. 2. Overcommitting your time. Have you ever agreed to something instantly and later regretted it? Maybe you told a friend, yeah, let's meet up this weekend, even though you just wanted to stay in. Or you took on an extra task at work when your plate was already full. Saying yes to everything is like hanging out free samples of your energy every day. By the time you actually need it for yourself, there's none left for you. You know, I have a rule for this. So before you say yes, ask yourself, do I actually want to do this? Yeah. First question, do I actually want to do this? Do I have the energy for this? Will this add unnecessary stress to my day? But then you're done asking yourself these 3 questions and you're having not really. Do I actually want to do this? And you say not really. Do I have the energy for this? Oh, not really. I don't have energy. Will this add unnecessary stress? Not really. My dear, it's okay to say no, or at least say, let me think about it, right? So you reserve energy for yourself. Number 3, doom scrolling first thing in the morning. Oh my god, we are all guilty of this. Even myself, but I'm working on it to ensure that I don't do this. You wake up, grab your phone, and before you know what happened, you've been scrolling 45 minutes. You've been scrolling your phone for 45 minutes. You've seen 5 depressing news articles, a viral argument in the comment section, and someone's dog wearing sunglasses. I'm just giving you instances of what you might have seen. Yeah, you know, those fountains, they're all cool, but still, they use up your energy. Now, your mind is overstimulated before the day has ever begun. Now, what's the solution? Put your phone out of your arm's reach when you sleep. By the time you think about coming down and going to that, that particular corner, you just allow yourself some space to, okay, let's just do this, and then I'll come back for it. Put your phone out of reach. Even delaying that first scroll by 10 minutes can make a huge difference in how you start your day. So by the time you're, okay, let me just take a shower, and then by the time you've done this, you would end up not going through your phone. Probably you just say, when I get to work or when I get to where I'm going to, I'll look at what's on the news. It's important we keep our phones out of reach. Like, this doom scrolling drains energy. Okay, the number 4 thing that takes our energy is poor posture and staying stuck in one position. Yeah, poor posture. Have you ever been so focused on work that when you finally stood up, your back made a noise you didn't even know it could make? Sitting or standing in one position for too long isn't just uncomfortable, it's exhausting. It takes up energy. Poor posture messes with blood circulation and can even affect your breathing, which makes you feel sluggish. So these things, let's just take note of them. Right, so how do you fix this? You can set a reminder or calendar to move every 1 hour, even if it's a quick stretch or a walk to refill your water bottles. This can help. Okay, so from today henceforth, when you're at work, on your laptop, and the markets, wherever you run your daily business, always ensure to check your posture and then straighten your back, roll your shoulders, and take a deep breath. This will help you feel more relaxed. And when you notice, oh, I think I should move, even if it's not up to an hour, move, stand up, stretch it. This helps you retain energy. So by the time you're standing up, you're not like, oh my god, my back, stuff like that. You actually reduce it. The last I want to talk about today is drinking too much caffeine and not enough water. I get that saying that coffee is life, but the problem is caffeine is a temporary fix. It gives you energy, yeah? It gives you energy now, but oftentimes you would crash. It gives you energy, but not those that can last you for a day. And if you're drinking coffee all day, but you barely drink water, your body is running on fumes. I'll say that again. If you're drinking coffee every day, every single day, but you barely drink enough water, your body is all filled with fumes. Always ensure you drink water. Always ensure you drink water. If you think about it, try alternating between coffee and water throughout the day. If plain water is boring, I know, drinking water can be like, oh, it does not have taste. How about you add some lemon or cucumber slice, just to give it that flavor. Add it. Your body and brain needs hydration just as much as they need caffeine, but it's going to be very better and in fact healthier when you take more water. Alright, we've exposed the silent energy tips. Now, how do we take back control? First thing, start your day with a few minutes of stillness. Before you grab that phone, right, take a moment to breathe, stretch, do some mini exercises. Not be too long, just move your body around. Number 2, set mini check-ins throughout your day. Ask yourself, how am I feeling right now? What do I need? A break? Water? Fruits? Healthy snacks? Ask yourself that question. Always do that for yourself, so okay, I feel like taking water, and then you get up and take it. Number 3, prioritize deep rests. I know I don't just mean sleep. Rest also includes doing things that recharge you, listening to music, going for a walk, or just sitting in silence for a few minutes. All this put together would ensure you reserve your energy. Let's go off the guilt for not being productive 24/7. Nah. Those little breaks makes you more productive than working all stretched 24/7. Your body and mind need downtime, so rest is productive too. So I gave you a challenge at the beginning of this episode. I asked that you try and figure out what's that one habit that you do daily, and that drains you. So now I want to wrap it up with pick one habit from today's episode. I've shared a lot of things. Pick one that you know that's probably you, or let's say you didn't really know that you do, and now I've said that they are draining. So pick one of that and try changing them this way. Are you the person that always sits too long? You just sit and you're so focused and barely take breaks. You don't even like standing up from your desk. You feel when you stand up you disconnect. No, today I'm letting you know rest is productivity as well. So you need to take rest. Have time to stand up and take that stretch, take a walk, right? Are you also a person that likes scrolling your phone in the morning? I caught you. It is draining. It will drain your energy. How about you stop it? Take it as a habit. Okay, from today henceforth, I do not want to hop on my phone the very first thing in the morning. I want to do something else. When I step down from my bed, my phone is not in my hand. I don't want to do that. I want to do something else. So please go back, think again. You can listen to the episode again to get all the I think it's about 5 things I shared. You would look at them and figure out where am I falling into, and then you work on it. So the challenge here is pick one habit and then change it. You don't have to overhaul your life. Small changes add up, okay? If this episode had helped you, please share with a friend who needs to hear it too. And if you haven't yet, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. Alright, that is all for today. Take care of your energy, and I will see you in the next episode of Habits That Thrive. Bye bye.